morning, all of you. Myself, Thakur Saurabh. I am here to introduce some basic of 3D printing. 3D printing. In this project we having four members. First, Saurabh Thakur. Second, Rahil Kalmade, Inzan Hashmi, and Farhan Khan. In this project, contents are introduction, history, terminology, what is 3D printing, how it's work, and so on. Introductions. 3D printing is a modern technology in which 3D dimensional objects are printed from digital data. The 3D printing is conforming the 3D dimensional structure, and it is also known as a additive manufacturing. It is also called as a additive manufacturing. History. The technology of a printing physics 3D project are hence provided by the Chuck Hulf in 1984. 1984. Terminology having a additive manufacturing, rapid prototyping, subtractive process, and stereolithography was defined by the Charles Hall and his system. What is 3D printing? 3D printing is form of additive manufacturing. In this 3D printing, there is a 3 axis X and Y and Z. In that, we can see the project by 3 dimensional. It is also known as rapid prototyping and additive manufacturing. How it works? Step 1. A person creates a 3D image of an item using a computer aided design. Step 2. The CAD information is sent to the printer. Step 3. The printer forms the item by depositing the material in layer from the bottom layer. Types of printing mechanism. There are so many types of printing. First, stereolithography (SLA). It's short form for complex design. In this process, for creating three-dimensional object using a computer controlled laser by built to record a structure layer. You will you have UV laser plus polymer. And second is selective laser sintering SLS, wide material range. Fuse deposition modeling FDM, strength, durability. In this commonly used for the modeling of prototyping and product applicant. Effects of 3D printing. In this, there are so much effects are there in the 3D printing. Space exploration. Space exploration means making a parts on the fly, which can be used for the space launching and so much. Social change. Conventional relationship between the home and workplace might get further eroded. It become easier to transmit design from new project from the pet. If we can do any project, so first we want to make a design, and it can be used only when we have 3D printing. In computer or in PC, we can draw a design for making a 3D printing. Application. It is used in medical application. In medical, there is a use in human bladder, kidney designing, and artificial intelligence. Nowadays we can make a 14K gold. In 2011 it can started forensic pathology, smartphone, space manufacturing, and 3D pens are nowadays it used for making a 3D printing. Advantage and disadvantage. In advantage, ability of customized product, rapid production of prototype, low cost of productions, no storage cost, quickly availability of organ. Disadvantage of 3D printing. Equipment and material cost are very high. It is not less for middle class family, but it is high for the manufacturing students. Lack of control over the printing process, short term durations, and limited material selection and variety. 3D printing material. There are many types of material are used for 3D printing materials like ABS, PLA, TP, and nylon. These are the plastic filament. But in architect engineering, there are also so many 3D printing are used for the making design of the project. Thank you. For any question, if you can ask.